Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're jumping into the base Boxycharm box for the month of October, and I'm actually really excited about most of the products in this box. It's one of those months where I'm looking around, and of the 5 items, I think there are 3 really good ones. One I'm on the fence about, and only one that I'm not really interested in, which compared to last month is a much welcomed success. Anyway, if you want to jump into this entire box with me, talking about everything inside, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this October's Boxycharm base box, stay tuned. Alright, so first things first, I think the theme card is so good. Last month's felt very, I think I said 2017. Stand behind that. I think this one's a lot more chic. Everyone will be under your spell. Boxycharm October. Nice, simple, definitely can get behind this. So it is a different, normally it's this way, but I'm not mad at it. I think it's a lot more chic than we've gotten recently. Anyway, the first item out of this box is from Ciate London. This is the Spice palette. Now, I've gotten quite a few Ciate London eyeshadow palettes, and I'm a really big fan of their formula. This retails for $39. A blend of highly pigmented metallics and mattes will work seamlessly with neutral mattes to add... That does not make sense. A blend of highly pigmented metallics and mattes that work seamlessly with neutral mattes to add an epic spice to any makeup look. I don't understand why mattes and mattes work well together, but I get it. It's a good eyeshadow. Anyway, these are going to be the colors inside. Definitely more on that neutral cranberry tone, but I feel like I can get a lot of versatility out of it. I don't normally go for these like brassy, coppery tones, but that champagne would look really beautiful with any of these mattes. And I think having that deep chocolate will make this work on a lot of different skin tones. And having this tone as like a neutral to set down my eye base, or for somebody who's lighter than I am, using it as like a highlight shade could be really nice. Now, as usual, we're going to do a whole video trying all of this month's subscription box makeup in one video, but this is the same formula that I've already come to know and love from Ciate. Already well aware that I like this formula, but we will be giving this a try on camera in an upcoming video. Next, from Tres Luce Beauty, this is the Lucette Highlighter Palette. Radiate Your Light. Radiate. I used to say that all the time, and Brandon used to say it wasn't a word, and people would always, like, in the comment section, I'm talking like 5 years ago, radiate was one of the, I mean, I know it's a word. Oh no, it was gradiate. I used to say gradiate, like when I would blend and it would gradient, not radiate. Ignore me. Anyway, radiate your light out of this world with the Lucette palette. It will help you achieve a lit from within glow. Vitamin E and Mexican blue agave deliver a unique softness as you layer on each shimmering shade to create a most illuminated look, retailing for $26. These are going to be the shades inside, which I think it's a good representation of tone. You know, you have your one standard nice frosty highlight. You've got a bronze, a gold, and a rose gold. Now, whenever I get a palette like this talking about highlight, I always jump into my all-time favorite highlighting palette, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero. And if you just hold these up next to each other, you can see this obviously has 6 pans, but if you look at the tones, you're going to get a lot of similar colors to what's in here. So that does give you quite a bit of versatility. Now, the items I've used from this brand have been quite good. I still, every single time I do my makeup lately, use the eyeshadow brushes. I just think they get right in really beautifully. I feel like I got these last October, but I'm really excited to put that to the test, especially, you know, mixing shades like this tend to be, for me, the perfect highlighter shade. Next, the item that I'm not excited about because I just got it last month in Ipsy. This is the Somme Institute Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid Pads, retailing for $65. Gently exfoliate and treat your skin to take it to a whole new level. Powered by MDT5, these soft, saturated cotton pads are designed to help improve skin tone, texture, and clarity with an 8% buffered AHA formula that gently exfoliates dead skin on the skin's surface. It's a $65 value. I still haven't used the one I got in Ipsy yet. They're in my, like, I want to try this next. You know I love a pre-soaked pad for exfoliation, the Dr. Dennis Gross ones being my favorites of all time. That being said, I feel like every single month in Ipsy and Boxycharm, there's some sort of overlap now that they're owned by the same company and it's all under the one umbrella. That being said, not my favorite thing because it almost, I used to love getting my Ipsy and my Boxycharm because they were so different and I could really enjoy playing with both. And now I feel like they're so interconnected that I'm losing the motivation to have both. Now, these are sent to me in PR, so they're sent for reviewing purposes only. They are not paying me. This is all just to get an honest review. So I'm happy that I can tell them that I don't love all the overlap because it's hard for me to tell you, go out and get Ipsy and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and Boxycharm and Boxycharm Premium and Boxy Luxe and Ipsy X because there's going to be so much overlap, you're going to end up with a lot of doubles. Now that being said, of the things that I would like to get a double of, I'd rather something like this over an eyeshadow palette. But my soapbox moment for the day is, kind of wish they were a little more different. Next, from the brand Toy Factory, this is the Superset Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. Your serum and setting spray are now one, and that look you just created is about to last all day, all night. Featuring hyaluronic acid to lock in your color payoff while coating your skin with a misty serum, expertly formulated for all-day hydration, and a dewy, soft, professional look, retailing for $24. Now, obviously, I don't have anything on, but it's a little more of an aggressive mist. Definitely has a nice neutral scent. Feels nice on the skin, very thin. In addition to the hyaluronic acid, it does say it also has a hydrogenated castor oil, which, as you know, is great for stimulating hair growth on the lashes and brows. So not a bad ingredient to have in your setting spray as well. Feels nice. Doesn't have a sticky residue anywhere. Like, I'm trying to feel if it is, and it feels really good. Really excited to see how that works when we put it to the test with the other makeup for the month. And the last item is from the brand Dew of the Gods. This is the Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Primer. The Breakfast of Champions in the Tropics hits different. Think of this as your skin's morning collagen smoothie with plant and fruit extracts blended into a dewy, milky serum to tone and prime your skin for the next stage of your routine. Build the perfect base for your makeup to glide over or bask in the glass skin glow that lasts all day long, retailing for $32. Now, we are going to put this to the test with actual foundation on, but I do want to try out the consistency, see how we like it, since it is more of a serum primer. Lately, I've really been back into my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I never really fell out of it, but excited to give something else a try. Immediately, I don't love the packaging. This isn't the type, to me, this is something you would put a hand cream in, but still worth giving it a shot. Anyway, I'm just going to take a small amount. We're going to try this out. Now, I'm optimistic because I do really like Dew of the Gods. The products I've used... Oh, and that's not going to work. I need a second. Okay, sorry about that. It is very heavily scented, and it smells very strongly of banana. Little known fact, I do not like the scent of banana. I instantly get nauseous, cannot eat them, have never been able to, dating back to even being a small child. So I was really optimistic about that. So if you don't have an issue with the scent of banana, I think you might like this. I think it felt nice going on, but the second I got that smell, I had to go rinse my face off because it's just not for me. All right, that last bit of drama aside, not a bad box. Really excited to use both of these because they are items that I already know I like the formulas for. I'm gonna use a little more of this just to get more of that banana scent out of my nose, which feels like all I can smell is that banana. This is like a vanilla scent, so definitely helping me out here, which is making me like this even more. All in, this box had a retail value of $186, which the subscription box is $29 before shipping if you're in Canada and additional fees. So let's average, call it about a $30 subscription box. $186 worth of value is not bad. Unfortunately, this could have been a great product, but just due to the scent, not for me. Definitely gonna have to pass on that. And again, not thrilled to get a duplicate item, but if I'm gonna get a duplicate item, I'd rather it be that than an eyeshadow palette. Anyway, as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear what you have to say, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!